What if you never had to open another app again? AI agents are changing the internet forever, and the biggest tech companies are racing to dominate this new revolution. From OpenAI to Google and Microsoft, billions of dollars are being invested into AI agents capable of performing complex tasks automatically.
But what exactly are AI agents? And why are experts calling them the future of the internet? Unlike traditional chatbots, AI agents don't just answer questions. They can take action, make decisions, and complete tasks on your behalf. Imagine asking an AI to plan your vacation, book your flights, reserve hotels, and organize your schedule.
That's exactly what modern AI agents are being designed to do. Tech giants believe AI agents could become the next major platform after smartphones. Billions of dollars are being invested to build smarter and more capable AI systems. OpenAI is developing AI systems capable of handling increasingly complex tasks. Google is integrating intelligent agents across its products and services.
Microsoft is embedding AI into business workflows around the world.
These AI agents can search information, analyze options, and take action. Some experts compare AI agents to having a digital employee available 24 hours a day. Businesses hope these systems will dramatically improve productivity. But not everyone is convinced the transition will be smooth. Many workers worry that automation could replace certain jobs.